Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Dr. Vijayan from Gleneagles Hospital, Penang, and today I'm going to discuss in detail meniscus. Right. As I said before, if you remember, we talked about the knee joint, and there is a cartilage between the bone and bone which we call meniscus. Meniscus is a fibrocartilage. It is a tissue which is in between the bone to provide protection or cushioning effect. It is a C-shaped soft tissue which is not seen in the X-ray. If you look at the X-ray, it's only seen as an empty space. You require an MRI to see a meniscus and the injury of the meniscus. So meniscus can easily get injured, usually in sports or in accidents. Those who get meniscus injury usually will present with pain and sometimes swelling. The pain is usually activity related. There are many types of meniscus tear. It could be at the periphery, at the center, it could be a flap that is moving in and out, or it could be like big tear which is getting caught. Sometimes the patient have difficulty walking because the meniscus is torn and it's caught in between the bone. Now, the treatment of meniscus is usually either conservative or surgical. If the tear is small, we can treat it conservatively. That means leave it alone with rest and painkillers and protect the knee joint until the meniscus heals. Sometimes this is not enough. Then a surgery is required. The surgery is usually done through a keyhole, a small hole through which we put a scope inside and we can see the meniscus clearly. Through another small hole, we can repair the meniscus. I will explain this with a video later. Okay, this is an example of a meniscus tear. This particular patient presented with the knee pain. He had difficulty straightening the knee because the meniscus is getting caught. Now, if you see, this is a video of how we are doing a meniscus surgery through a keyhole. It is done with just two small holes. And the first thing is we reduce the meniscus back to its original position. Once it's in the original position, we'll try to repair the meniscus, stitch the meniscus so that it can heal by itself. We would like to repair the meniscus as often as possible, since removal will cause further damage to the cartilage and osteoarthritis in future. But it is not always possible to repair the meniscus. There are times when the tear is so bad that we have to remove the meniscus. So it has happened before, but as far as possible we would like to repair the meniscus. For us to repair the meniscus, two things is important. We need to treat the meniscus early. So patient need to come as soon as possible after the injury. And the second part is the meniscus should not have been damaged, meaning too much of trauma to the meniscus also will make it very difficult for us to repair the meniscus. Of course, removing the meniscus is very easy, but I'm sure we do not want to do that because of the future implications. Thank you very much and stay safe.